This is why so many people struggle to stay consistent with content, because the editing process becomes a second job. For entrepreneurs and creators, speed matters. This alone can save a huge amount of your time. If you create content on the internet, you already know the worst part of the process. It's not filming, it's not ideas, it's editing. Hours spent scrubbing through timelines, cutting out mistakes frame by frame, typing captions manually, and then exporting everything just to cut it again for Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. For most creators and entrepreneurs, editing is the part that slows everything down. But what if editing videos could be as simple as editing Google Docs? Today I want to show you something that genuinely surprised me. Before we continue, as always, quick disclaimer, nothing in this video should be taken as business, financial, or personal advice. I'm simply sharing tools and workflows that I personally find useful. In this video, I've teamed up with Riverside to demonstrate what I'm talking about so that you can see it in action, more importantly. See, one of the biggest bottlenecks for creators and entrepreneurs today isn't ideas, it's production. Think about typical workflow. You record your video on one platform, then you download the file, then you open editing softwares, then you manually cut mistakes, then you generate captions somewhere else, then you export the video, then you cut clips for social media, and before you know it, one video has taken hours to produce. This is why so many people struggle to stay consistent with content, because the editing process becomes a second job. What caught my attention about Riverside is that it solves a lot of these problems in one place, directly inside your browser. No downloads, no installations, just open a tab and start working. So let me show you exactly what I mean by this. One of the features that immediately stood out to me is something called text-based editing, and honestly speaking, the first time you see it, it feels a bit like magic. When you record or upload a video into Riverside, it automatically transcribes everything you say. Now here's the interesting part. Instead of scrubbing through a timeline trying to find mistakes, you simply edit the transcript. If I delete a sentence from the transcript, that moment is instantly removed from the video, which means instead of spending time trying to locate the exact second something happened, I can literally just read through my script and delete what I don't want in the scripts. The video edits itself, and if you remove something accidentally, you can restore it because the edits are non-destructive. For creators who spend hours editing content, this alone can save a huge amount of your time. Now this is where things get even more interesting from my perspective. Riverside has something called Co-Creator, which is essentially an AI assistant inside the editor. Instead of manually editing everything yourself, you can give it instructions almost like messaging an editor. For example, you can say things like remove filler words, tighten the pacing, make the video more energetic, and the AI will automatically apply those edits, which means the workflow becomes less about manually cutting video and more about directing the outcome you want. For creators, entrepreneurs, or podcasters producing loads of content, that shift can dramatically speed up the entire process. Another pain point in video editing is captions. Anyone who has done this manually knows how time consuming it can be. Typing subtitles, synchronizing them, adjusting timing, styling them so they look professional. With Riverside, captions are generated automatically from the transcript, and because the transcript already exists, the captions are accurate and perfectly synced. You can then customize them, change the style, move the position, adjust colors and fonts. Everything happens inside the editor. No exporting, no extra software. Now, if you create content regularly, you probably know that long-form videos are only part of the equation. Short-form content has become incredibly important. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and YouTube Shorts thrive on shorter clips, but cutting those clips manually takes a lot of time. This is where Riverside Magic Clips feature becomes extremely useful. After editing your video, Riverside scans the content and automatically identifies the most engaging moments. Then it creates short clips optimized for different platforms, different aspect ratios, different formats, already cropped and ready to publish, which means one long video can quickly turn into multiple pieces of short-form content without having to redo the editing process from scratch. Inside the editor, you can also customize how your content looks. You can switch between different layouts, grid views, speaker view, full screen. You can add overlays, logos, backgrounds, music, and text all directly inside the browser, again without installing traditional editing software. For entrepreneurs and creators, speed matters. That's why this truly makes a huge difference. The faster you can move from idea content distribution, the more opportunities you can create. Tools like Riverside don't just make editing easier, they simplify the entire workflow. Instead of juggling multiple platforms, everything happens in one place: recording, editing, captions, clips, branding, all online, more importantly. Listen, if you want to try a Riverside yourself, you can. Everything I just showed you, the text-based editing, co-creator AI, magic clips, and caption generator is available to test right now. You can try the full version free for an entire month using code YOMA at checkout, and you get 1 month free of Riverside Pro and Live. I'll leave the link in the top part of my description if you're ready to make that next step. If you create videos, podcasts, or online content, it's definitely worth exploring for my opinion. With that said, I want to say thank you for watching, and it's time for me to round up this video. If you found this video helpful and useful, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next video, where we are of course going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship.